Ya mwite Karen Nyamu. Na kawaida Karen usimtarajia tulia wakati ambapo anatupiwa madongo pale kwenye mitandao ya kijamii. Na kisa kimoja leo ambacho kimeweza kudhihirisha ni kwamba Karen Nyamu alipata kujibu maswali kadhaa baada ya kuweza kuachia picha yake ya TBT ambayo ni ya mwaka 2011. Kumbuka hiyo ni karibia miaka 13 ambayo imepita, na Karen Nyamu had to reply to one of the comments, and in the comments she even revealed that Samidoh is not currently in the country, ya kwamba Samidoh ametoka nchini Kenya na yupo kule nchini Marekani ambapo amekwenda kumuona mkewe Edday pamoja na wanawe. Now, kulingana na the story, the popular Kikuyu musician Samidoh Mushoki has embarked on a journey to the United States where he is estranged to first wife Edday and their 3 children reside. This development comes amid ongoing marital challenges between Samidoh and his first wife Edday over Samidoh declaring Karen Nyamu as his official second wife since together they have sired 2 kids. And now the news of Samidoh trip to the US first surfaced when Karen Nyamu posted a Facebook status reminiscing about her own first visit to the country. However, it was a comment from a fan asking if Samidoh had gone to meet Edday that sparked Karen's response, confirming his presence there to see his family. Samidoh had earlier confirmed that he was taking 1-month break from music to relax and recharge himself. Karen's response displayed a sense of understanding and acceptance towards Samidoh's decision. Karen stated that there was nothing wrong with him wanting to see his children and Edday. She went on to express a desire for Edday to return to Kenya, acknowledging that she had never been the issue between them. While Karen expressed a willingness to welcome Edday back into their lives, she also highlighted the importance of maintaining boundaries to prevent further complications. She explained that she could not travel to the US at the moment as she didn't want to disrupt the progress they had made in their relationship. Samidoh's trip to the US marks a significant step in addressing the ongoing challenges within his family and marriage. It underscores the importance of maintaining strong familial bonds even amidst marital strife. While the future of Samidoh's relationship remains uncertain, his decision to seek reconciliation with his first family is a testament to the enduring power of familiar love and the desire of unity. Wakenya wamepata kuongea mengi kuhusiana na hili. Now the comment yenye Karen Nyamu alipata kureply ni ya Mark Kenodi ambaye aliuliza kwani mzee anataka kwenda States kuona Edday Mhesh. TBT zako huwa na maana ficha sana. TBT ya kuruka mwaka 2011 in mid-Jan 2024 ama I am overthinking. Karen said Mark Kenodi is there as we speak kuona babies. Edday pia akirudi kwa mix, tumeshare miaka mingi sana peacefully. She will never be an issue. Usioniga sheri. Huyo ni Karen Nyamu. Huyo nakuuliza, what do you think about Karen Nyamu always welcoming Edday into a marriage with Samidoh? Even though she came as the second wife, she has accepted to be the second wife. She has accepted to share Samidoh with Edday, and she is ready for everything. Do you think Karen Nyamu is always the issue in this marriage, or Edday is always the woman who has issues with sharing a husband? Yeah, ni swali ambalo nakuachia wewe upate kujibu kwenye comment section. Tungane katika video zetu zijazo. Usisahau, hii ni FM Show KE.